Hi, this is Chris. Welcome to my channel. This is a little container that I showed briefly in a previous video when I was working on the little eyeglasses holder made out of repurposed packaging. And this is full of wood pieces, and in that video I said that I would need to organize it, and so I've organized it, and now I'm going to show you a little video about how I did that and how easy it is to take cardboard packaging and organize your craft supplies, make them easy to find. So stay tuned. So I'm going to find some boxes and make a little organizer for this. Okay, I found some boxes. I recycle all the cardboard I can, so usually I break them down and flatten them out, but I've been keeping them whole with this project in mind. So I've got all kinds of boxes here. So what I want to do is make the boxes fit inside here in layers so that I still have this container with its nice lid and the handle on the lid. So this is a nice container, and I can keep it out in the garage without ruining the items inside, since I don't use them that often. So I need to figure out the kinds of things I want to sort. Okay, I've fit my boxes in here and I clip them together, and I'm going to glue them. But I want to make sure that I can pull it out so I can use it and put it back in. So now I'm going to glue them and clamp them, and then I'm going to spray paint them. For this particular job, I think a spray paint would be the best idea. Okay, I just spray painted my little boxes. This doesn't have to be anything beautiful because it's just for storage. And I've sorted my wooden pieces. Well, I think that's it. So I'm going to have to make another layer. So this will go in here, and I can easily access that, and then I'll make another layer of short boxes for all these small things. Okay, I've folded down these little boxes, and you don't have to fold flaps down inside. You can just cut the boxes off the size that you want, but I thought it would give them a little more strength. It might last a little bit longer. And then the next thing I'll do is I'm going to make dividers in these two larger boxes for all these little tiny things that Buddy has gotten all mixed up for me again. Okay, this little project is done. I had a few leftovers. I had these wooden blocks and this little drawer handle and little flower pots left over. Plus, I didn't put in the corks. I like to keep those in another place. And then I had all these dowels that didn't really fit in there very well. So, I even washed the lid, got all the garage dust off of it. And this is what we have. So I saved this little plastic packaging to use for the really small parts. And then some other small parts I put in these little plastic bags and just tucked them in. So we have the little blocks, the little spools, little miniature clothespins, these little wooden bells, these plugs, these little, I call them little feet. I like to use them on things like the project just before this. This is where the different size items are and the decorative items. I just have a few of those. And then that lifts out. And then more of the tiny things and small things. When you have a space as small as this, you don't want to put anything too small in there because it's too hard to get your fingers down in to get it out. But these bags work well, so I just put those in little bags and then I can pull them out easily. Here's where all the wheels are. I can even slip bags down in between like that. And all the popsicle sticks. So it fits in there. This fits on top. There's plenty of room for that. The lid goes back on. It even looks nice from the outside. I have my old label on here. Wood knobs, wood forms, corks. I'll have to change that. And that's that. So now I'll give you a before and after. So we'll put this here and we'll put before next to it. So you probably say, Chris, why don't you just go to Walmart and buy something like this? Well, I could. The cubbies are different, are all the same size, and I like the different sizes of the ones that I made. I suppose I could find one with adjustable cubbies. But I already had this nice box. By the way, this is a Sterilite, S-T-E-R-I-L-I-T-E. And I've had it several years. So I enjoyed figuring out how to repurpose the packaging into an organizer for these little wood pieces. So thanks for watching, and I'll be doing some more projects like this and other kinds of projects. And come back again soon and go out and make something. Bye-bye.